Apple has officially unveiled its latest lineup of iPhones for 2024, introducing the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. This new generation brings several upgrades and features that are sure to excite tech enthusiasts. Below is a comprehensive guide to everything you need to know about Apple's latest releases, from pricing to specs. The iPhone 16 series is designed to cater to a wide range of users, from those who need a basic yet powerful phone to those seeking the most cutting-edge technology. With design improvements, advanced processing power, and enhanced camera features, Apple continues to set the bar high for smartphone innovation in 2024. iPhone 16 release date. When does it launch? Apple revealed the iPhone 16 series at their highly anticipated September 9, 2024 event, marking another exciting moment in Apple's annual product cycle. This event, streamed live worldwide, showcased the latest technological innovations that are expected to set new trends in the smartphone market. Pre-orders for the new iPhones will begin on Friday, September 13, at 5 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and 1 p.m. in the UK, ensuring global customers can secure their devices promptly. Following this, official sales will begin on Friday, September 20, 2024, across major Apple retailers and online platforms. As with previous launches, early demand is expected to be high, and those wanting to get their hands on the newest model should act quickly. iPhone 16 pricing. What will it cost? Apple has maintained the same pricing structure as the previous generation, keeping the costs competitive despite significant upgrades. Here are the official starting prices for each model. The iPhone 16 starts at $799, while the iPhone 16 Plus starts at $899, offering a larger display for those who prefer more screen space. The iPhone 16 Pro starts at $999, and the premium iPhone 16 Pro Max begins at $1,199. In the US, you may have to pay extra if you prefer to purchase an unlocked version that isn't tied to a specific carrier, which provides more flexibility but comes at a slightly higher price point. In contrast, UK buyers will find that these prices apply to unlocked phones, offering more freedom of choice right off the bat. Compared to previous models, Apple has kept the pricing stable, a move likely intended to attract both new buyers and those upgrading from older generations. Should you buy the iPhone 16 Plus, Pro, or Pro Max? The decision to upgrade largely depends on your current model, budget, and what you're looking for in a smartphone. The iPhone 16 series marks a significant leap forward from the iPhone 15, with notable improvements in processing power, new camera functionalities, and larger display options in the Pro models. For those using older models like the iPhone 12 or earlier, the iPhone 16's enhancements will feel even more pronounced, particularly in areas like battery life, speed, and overall performance. However, if you're already using an iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max, the jump might not feel as substantial, as many of the core features remain similar, though there are upgrades in display size and processing power. It's important to weigh how much the new features, such as the camera control button and the A18 Pro chip, will impact your daily use and whether they justify the cost of upgrading. iPhone 16 design. What's new? The iPhone 16 lineup features several design changes that reflect Apple's continuous drive for innovation and sleek aesthetics. While the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus models maintain the same display sizes, 6.1 inches and 6.7 inches, respectively, they now come in deeper, bolder colors such as ultramarine, teal, pink, white, and black. This shift away from the more pastel hues of the iPhone 15 gives the new phones a more striking, modern look that will appeal to users who enjoy vibrant, standout devices. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, on the other hand, are crafted from microblasted Grade 5 titanium, giving them a robust yet lightweight feel, enhancing durability while maintaining a premium finish. New color options like Desert Titanium, a rich gold shade, offer a fresh, sophisticated look for users who prefer a more refined appearance. The Pro models also feature larger displays than their predecessors, with the iPhone 16 Pro sporting a 6.3-inch screen and the Pro Max boasting a 6.9-inch display, all made possible by Apple's reduction in bezel size, which ensures a larger screen without increasing the overall device size. iPhone 16 specs. What's under the hood? One of the most exciting updates is the introduction of the A18 chip for the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, along with the A18 Pro chip for the Pro models. Both processors are based on the second-generation 3nm process, allowing for even smaller transistors and greater energy efficiency. Apple promises significant performance boosts with the A18, which provides up to 30% faster performance than the previous generation, a 16 chip. This makes everyday tasks like app switching, gaming, and multitasking smoother and more responsive than ever before. Additionally, the new 5-core GPU in the iPhone 16 delivers up to 40% faster graphics performance, making the device ideal for mobile gaming and handling graphically demanding applications. This GPU is described as desktop class, which means users can expect performance levels akin to those found in gaming consoles or high-end PCs, pushing mobile gaming experiences to new heights. For gamers and power users, these enhancements will be particularly noticeable, especially in tasks like ray tracing and 3D rendering, where speed and efficiency are crucial. Camera enhancements. What's new? A standout feature of the iPhone 16 series is the new camera control button, a touch-sensitive area located on the side of the device. This button is gesture-based and offers functionality for launching the camera app, zooming, and taking photos or videos with a light press, providing users with a more intuitive and seamless way to interact with their camera. The iPhone 16 also features a 48MP main camera capable of capturing high-quality 24MP photos, thanks to a new sensor fusion system that balances detail and lighting in various conditions. The ultra-wide lens now lets in 2.6x more light, significantly improving low-light photography and making it easier to capture stunning night shots. For macro enthusiasts, the new ultra-wide camera also brings improved macro photography capabilities, allowing for greater detail when shooting close-ups. The Pro models introduce even more advanced photography features, including cinematic slow motion at 4K 120 fps, making it possible to capture professional-grade video content right from your phone. Final thoughts. Should you upgrade? The iPhone 16 lineup represents a considerable advancement in processing power, camera capabilities, and design refinements, making it an attractive option for those looking to upgrade from older models or seeking the latest in smartphone technology. For users of the iPhone 12, 13, or earlier, the iPhone 16 will feel like a huge leap forward, with faster processing, better battery life, and significant camera improvements. However, if you're already using an iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max, the leap may not seem as significant, as many core features remain similar, despite the screen size and processor upgrades. That said, those who prioritize gaming, photography, or video editing may find the improved A18 Pro chip and camera features enough reason to upgrade. Overall, Apple's iPhone 16 lineup continues to push the boundaries of what a smartphone can offer, providing powerful tools for both everyday users and tech enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching, everyone! If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on the latest tech news, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let me know in the comments which iPhone 16 model you're most excited about, and if you're planning to upgrade.